Hi there. I wanted to talk about something, and it is about AI. So, everybody is talking about AI today, and it's now clear that the AI is the latest industrial revolution. So, considering all of that, I want to say that the AI is the first revolution of its kind. And what I mean by that is it is the first one that is truly accessible to everybody. It is almost completely free. Anybody can leverage it, anybody can use it. You can make cool programs like this one with fairly easily. Almost anybody can do it, and it's completely free. As a matter of fact, it's encouraged basically. Not just that it's free, it's open source, and it gives you all of the tools you need to succeed and be able to leverage the power of AI. And you can do stuff like this with almost no issues. Look at it. So the libraries are out there. You just need to spend some time to learn how to use them and how to leverage them. You can play as much as you want. Huh? How about that? And yeah, so the first industrial revolution is basically completely free and anybody can use it. So why don't you?